These are the ToughBuilt GelFit Non-Marring knee pads, raising the bar in knee protection and comfort and redefining the professional standards in ergonomics. Pliable rubber shells comfortably conform to the floor and prevent damaging smooth surfaces like tile and hardwood flooring. ToughBuilt's proprietary patent-pending injected gel and foam design ergonomically embraces the natural shape of the knee and upper shin, maximizing pressure distribution for all-day comfort. The high sidewalls keep the pads from twisting off the knees. EVA elastic leg straps comfortably hold in place without cutting off circulation or binding behind the knee. Rugged materials and construction make these reliable knee pads withstand the most rigorous working conditions, boasting superior craftsmanship. These are the ToughBuilt GelFit Non-Marring knee pads. It's not just a knee pad, it's ToughBuilt.